Does your Roborock Dyad suddenly have problems like a broken hose? And are unsure of how to fix it? Take a look at how we help our customers with best solutions. We received a Roborock Dyad that was damaged and could not be used for cleaning. Then we took over the vacuum cleaner and started diagnosing it. Here is what we found when we tried running the vacuum. We diagnosed the root cause was a broken hose, so the vacuum could not be used. And we suggested replacing it. Then, we asked the customer for approval of the recommendations, and then we started the repair process. Look at this. It looks like new again and can work at max efficiency. Once the robot had been returned to the customer, they were satisfied. Need help with your robot vacuum? Contact us today.